Hello guys, my name is Sketchy. I hope you are all fine in this situation. In this video, I am drawing PoKeMoN DooDLe. If you are here for the first time in our group, then make sure you press the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Let us not make further delay and get back to the video. And I already have the sketch ready. Let's get back to the video.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drum me round in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Enjoy the review.
Hold up. And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with his low.
Thank you guys for watching and supporting. Please continue to support the same. Once again, I remind you to press the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you have not done yet. If you have liked the video, smash the like button, and you are also free to dislike this video if you are not satisfied. Smashing like button means you are satisfied, and it's an appreciation for my hard work, and it would mean a lot to me. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Links will be provided in the description below. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. Stay home, stay safe, Let us all fight against coronavirus. Once again, thanks to all of my subscribers and viewers for the support. Let us all meet in the next video. Bye.